Nicole Cruz. I'm from Spring Valley, Illinois. And now that I come to the University of Iowa, I have to dress a lot warmer on school occasions. I used to drive to school, but now I have to walk a mile since I live off campus. And I usually get out the winter stuff in the beginning of November when it starts to be about like 50 outside. And I always wear a scarf, gloves, earmuffs, and usually shoes that cover my feet, boots, or like tough tennis shoes.